Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. 1. The CRPF is India's largest central armed police force and primarily focuses on maintaining internal security and law and order across the country. 2. Unlike other CAPFs, CRPF is headed by a 4-star general of the Indian Army. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. The CRPF is India's largest central armed police force and primarily focuses on maintaining internal security and law and order across the country. Its primary role is to assist state and union territories in maintaining law and order and internal security. A key mandate of the CRPF includes providing security during elections, managing civil unrest, and combating left-wing extremism in affected regions. Statement 2 is incorrect. The CRPF is headed by a Director General, an Indian Police Service officer with the rank of Director General of Police, DGP. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the economic implications of a trade deficit? 1. A trade deficit increases the demand for foreign currency in the domestic market. 2. A trade deficit can result in a country's increased foreign debt. 3. A trade deficit is always accompanied by an increase in foreign exchange reserves. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. A trade deficit means that a country is importing more than it is exporting, which creates a higher demand for foreign currencies to pay for those imports. This leads to an increased demand for foreign currency in the domestic market as the country needs to exchange its own currency for foreign currencies to settle trade transactions. To finance the gap, the country may need to borrow from abroad, leading to an increase in foreign debt. A trade deficit can deplete foreign exchange reserves if the deficit is financed by drawing on these reserves or borrowing.